Hi y'all. I hope you're doing well. Come on. Let this computer catch up with this computer. So we're going to make a tray today. And so I got these at the lumber yard. They're already pre-made. These are 15-inch. They also come in 18-inch, which are pretty awesome. So I love this color, don't you? I found this, it's a gray stain, and I sanded it down, cleaned it up, and stained it in a gray. And this is a red mahogany stain. I like the darker ones, but I also have the regular colors. So I'm going to do two different ones because I make these reversible, and I can't do both sides on one live because it takes a while to dry when I put a coating on it. So what I'm going to do today is It's a Wonderful Life. But I want to show you some other options. So I can put that on one side and have a winter or a Christmas theme, turn it over and do a Thanksgiving theme. So all through the year I have this charcuterie board or tray that I can flip over for the different seasons. So I really like that versatility. So I have some other choices that I really love these. You can put Believe, you can do Good Tidings, you can do Rejoice, you can do Peace and Joy, and you can do a bunch of trays for Christmas for your family with each one of those. And we did trays at I did a workshop last night. We did these trays. We made them reversible in 2 hours. We all did them in 2 hours. So you have one tray done in 2 hours. Was awesome. So this is another. So if you want any, I'll put that information out there. You can do Merry Christmas. You can do Noel. You can put some little ornaments on there. Oh, so many possibilities. So, and I'll show you the Thanksgiving one afterwards. So first thing is to wax. So, come on. I'm going to take some paper towel. I'm going to take a little bit of wax. Anytime you have a wood or a painted surface, you want to wax because it will keep your transfer good. It'll keep, and you want to do it really good. You want to not put too thick of a coat, just enough to put a barrier down to save your transfer. The transfer is so sticky, it will take the paint off of whatever you're on and be stuck to the back of your transfer, and you can't reuse it all the times that you want to. So doing this protects your transfer. Your stencil, your transfer, I call it a silk screen transfer, silk screen stencil. Almost there. Make sure I get it all. I'm not going to use it all, but I'm going to get it all. I love this gray. So cool. And it makes a very, very good for Christmas. Where'd you go? Transfer. Move some of my trash out. These make great gifts. You could even just do the initial in the middle with a wreath around it. That's also very pretty, very good gift. So I'm gonna do Fuzz, Fuzz, Fuzz. Let me tell how much I've used these already. And they're only about 6 months old, but I use them so much. You can use, wow, look how sticky, and it's just the paper, right? Put that in there right here. All right. And I usually do it 3 times, at least. Depends on what's going on and how sticky it is. Kind of reposition it a little bit. Now I try to line this up with the grain, because the grain is going across here, so I'm going to try to straighten it up a little bit and try to go with the grain. It's one of those, doesn't really matter, but it does. It bothers me if it's not. Pull this down here, try to get this lined up. And measure my makeshift measure here. So I try to make sure it's about the same. It's about the same. Yeah. Now you want to make sure there's no air bubbles. We'll make sure we go out from there. There's just a little sticky on here. And I'm going to just use white because I think it's pretty. There's a bump right there. I'm going to make sure. Yep. I picked up something off the either the wood or there. There, that's better. And I am gonna take some white and go crazy. Now if I was doing different colors, I'd probably want to do this in segments and make sure I don't let it dry before I finish, but this is small enough that I don't have to worry about that. I should be able to do this quickly enough. So I'm making sure I have it all cleaned up. I don't have globs anywhere. I don't have lines of where it gets thick, like little hills and valleys of chalk paint. That's way too much. Does anybody watch It's a Wonderful Life? Does anybody watch it like every year? I do. I love watching that show. Reminds me of what to be thankful for, right? Put you down and pull you up. Oh, look how pretty! Perfect. Perfect. Where'd my water go? I covered it up. I keep a container of water next to mine. And I use my wet wipes here to clean up any side deals here. Y'all, look how adorable is that. And I will spray a little shellac. It's a spray shellac. Dry it, takes about 10 minutes, and then I put a quick Minwax varnish on top. Takes about 10 minutes. If I dry it with the heat gun, it'll take about 10-15 minutes. I'll just let it dry while I do the other one. But look at how cute and quick that was. I love this. It came out great. So I'm going to put this on the side. And I'm going to do this one, because I'm going to do several of these. And put the Thanksgiving thing. So I could do Falls in the Air. I could do Hello Pumpkin. Gratitude. Gather and Gobble is a cute one too. But I'm going to do Gratitude, because that's what I'm feeling today. I am very grateful. We had so much fun last night. So, you know, I am available to do churches, parties, these different kinds of things. What am I forgetting? I'm forgetting to wax first. Someday I'm going to get my husband in on this. He's like, oh, no, you're not. Oh, I love these colors. I love the wood. I just love working with wood. Wood's so pretty. So, and I love all the choices that we have. It can be so specific to you and what you feel, what you think, what you believe. I really like the versatility. I'm getting this down, remember, so I don't stretch out the transfer, and I get a good seal and a good result. So let's grab a transfer gun and our fuzzing cloth and fuzz, fuzz, fuzz. One, two, three. Now, you can do it right in the middle, or I've seen it this way. Get my grain straight, and I kind of like this on the bottom. You can put your cutleries here, your what you're going to serve. So do I want it that justified? It's so, I think I'm just going to put it right in the middle. How does that look? I like it. No air bubbles, no bumps. Nice and tight. Yeah. And you know what? I think I'm going to use, hold on one second. I'm going to grab my color. Or colors. I'm going to use a fall color. This is called Papaya. And papaya is really close to a pumpkin, but it's got more brown in it, which I really like. So let's do Papaya and not get it all over the board. And I'll get my handy dandy squeegee. You know, my thing keeps coming out. My video keeps going in and out on my iPad where I'm trying to watch for people. It always works that when I forget to turn on my iPad is when people start asking me questions. What is your favorite thing about Thanksgiving. And if you're watching the replay, you can comment and tell me. I want to know. Look at that. All done. All done. So how cute will that be, having one side with gratitude? And that's an all-time thing. It doesn't have to just be for Thanksgiving. And It's a Wonderful Life also. Doesn't have to be a Christmas thing. It's more generalized. Maybe generally during Christmas, but do you love it? I love it. How cute. So cute. So cute. Let me put you out of the way. So cute. Loving it. Do you love it? I love it. I'm going to spray it so I can protect my transfer. And I'll put it right here for a second. I will clean it, but I want to show you so you can see. One side will say gratitude. One side will say it's a wonderful life. Is that not awesome or what? Y'all have a great day. Have a great weekend. If I don't see you first.